Hello and welcome to Butler-HQ, and we are going to start a series featuring the highs and lows of buying a sub £1,000 BMW, and we're going to document it, like Dad says, over the course of the next 6 months. We've already brought a car that's right in front of us here for a sub £1,000. It's a bit of a gem. It's
a James Bond
It's
VIP
James
saloon.
Bond,
Yeah.
It's a James Bond. So is it, Pa?
It is Baritza Blue.
Or is it Baritza Blue?
Baritza Blue.
We've got metallic paint. We've got 18-inch alloy wheels.
And staggered.
And staggered. We've got a 2.8 engine.
Yeah. And for those who are eagle-eyed, you'll also notice my pet 8 is clear white indicators and original ginge indicators.
Gingers?
Yeah, the backs of gingers and the whites of clears.
So that's what we're going to start with. A 7 E38 720i. And she's a bit of a peach. Is that right?
Well, yeah. A bit of a peach.
But like with most cars over 20-year-olds, there is a few bits that need attention, which is going to be all part of this series. But a lot is good, and I'm going to show you.
Oh, you are now all wondering what doesn't work in a sub £1,000 BMW. Well, surprisingly, and it is a surprise, everything works, even down to the air conditioning. It's just amazing. But yeah, everything works.
And he's not lying. On the way back from Guildford, when we picked the car up, I had the aircon on freezing, passenger had it on hot. We've got a dual climate control thing. Cruise control was set, and we was doing about 34 miles to the gallon. Now I don't know if that was the car gods telling me to get my backside out of the 7 and back into an E34, I ain't too sure. But from Guildford to West Bromwich, 34 mile per gallon with the aircon on, cruise control, listen to the radio in a sub £1,000 7 that would have been a luxury VIP James Bondy car when it was new.
And for those who are also thinking, oh, what extras has their sub £1,000 BMW got? Well, it's got
Oh Christ, is that a tape deck?
hi-fi system, and it's also got the sketch.
And in little models, this was a coin holder affair, but you've got a tape deck, you've got a noise stereo which sounds nice, you've got all the normal stuff.
A tape deck.
A tape deck?
A tape deck in flipping 1998, which means then, yeah, the first owner of this must have been into his ABBA tapes.
As you can see, very, very good. We're sitting in leather seats.
Yeah,
We've got loads of room.
we have. And it's pleasant.
And another cool feature, which we're going to go to the back, the boot automatically opens from the fob, like that, and it locks. It's got a soft closure affair.
And I'll tell you what I do like about the E38s, and that is insulation there. I think that's quite good, and there as well. Yeah, that's quite cool, really.
Now you might be thinking, well, that's all well and good, you got yourself a good E38. You do get some history marks on the body, and because we're at a channel, we're going to go through the bits that are not 100% because we like to be truthful. So we can go along. A bit of rust there. A bit of rust there.
And a little bit more here.
There. There's a love tap there. And somebody signed that bit with their key.
And sadly,
That.
somebody's kissed that.
There's a little bit of a pinhole there. A bit of a mark there, which coincides with that.
That's just dirt.
Oh, is it?
It's just dirt.
Oh, it's just dirt. No, I'm wrong.
Dirt. Oh, and I forgot. Also, it's got the old parking sensors.
Yeah.
I forgot that.
And that's sort of the exterior of the E38. and I'm going to go under the bonnet or the hood, as our American cousins would call it.
And this is the business end.
There's a bit of rust there, but it's where that's leaked in the past and it's burnt the paint.
Yeah, the IBS.
And it's all pretty much,
Has it left the factory?
yeah, all the sensors, well, two of the sensors it needs to get to on here. Now you're probably asking, yeah, or you're probably thinking, well, you brought it, it looks nice, it's got a few love kisses, but if Dad will pass me the keys to the right one, it's gonna rattle like a bag of bolts. There's no Banos rattle.
No. And for the eagle eyes, if you swing the camera around, you can see that it's also had recently a new BMW radiator.
Yeah. And now we are going to take you around the block. It drives, I mean, it's nice.
Yeah.
It's lovely. It goes up and down the gears all right. We've done 170 miles since it's come to Butler-HQ.
Yeah.
And since being around town, we're about 27 miles to the gallon now. And it's lovely.
And yeah.
What do you think, Pat?
She runs great. No bangs or twonks or pulling. Yeah, flipping perfect really.
You down here, you got the computer thing, BC. It tells you what speed you're doing now. The pixels, when cold, do go out, but when it warms up, it does work normal, but it does display normally. You got speed, consumption, 27, range, 140 mile. Limit the speed in case you was posh and you was letting your son drive it, you could limit the speed to what he was giving you. All the windows work. The panic works. The manual works. The sport works. And it's even got a moon. Is it moonshine?
It is a moonshine sunroof, which is
and it works.
and it works as well.
I do like these E34 sun visors. These are like fabric. They are nice. But it has got an E34
Yeah, switch.
switch.
Yeah.
As I was shocked that did sneak through, because there was nothing else in here that's E34 bar the pedals and mat, are you?
Yeah, really, yeah.
There's anything else
No.
E34 in here. It's nice. All the cup holders
All
Work.
as well.
work and get back in. The back one works as it should. The storage down here, all these work as they should. And the plan for this car is to do some maintenance, live with her. We're going to restore the paintwork with the help of Turtle Wax products.
Yeah.
Use it pretty much daily and see how the old girl holds up. I'm looking forward to getting the bodywork cut back and polished up, and we're just back. The brakes work as well. Another thing we missed was the front's been kissed a bit here. We dare say that, Pop. The front was kissed. We are going to most probably do something at that door and polish all that out. And she's currently on 164,000.
164.
164,000 on the old girl.
And impressively so, and she's also got a full service history book. It's full. There's no space left in it, which is yeah, really.
So that's been an introduction to our long-term sub £1,000 7 Series, sub £1,000 luxury.
But the question is, will it be a dream or will it be a nightmare?
And there's only one way to find out. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on this story.
Yeah, and we shall see.
So if you did like this content, please like, subscribe and comment. But until next time, thanks for watching.
Bye bye.